Okay, here we have my Yamaha Banshee 1999 350. I'm going to go through the modifications. One in particular is pretty cool. As you can tell, front A-arms, front bumper, headlights, extended rear axle, tires, what else? Nerf bars, seat cover. Nothing major on the outside, but engine-wise I have Wisco pistons, Paul Turner racing pipes, but my favorite feature is the battery. So for the battery upgrade, we needed to increase the output of the stator. So I ordered a new stator off of eBay for $200. The old one is actually right here. I don't know the output of this stator, but stator sits right in the cover. I upgraded the stator. What came with the package was the stator and the regulator rectifier that was necessary for a battery. So I went ahead, replaced the stator, seated the battery and the regulator rectifier under the seat. You're going to need a regulator rectifier to convert AC to DC, and to regulate how much voltage is being put into the battery so you don't overcharge it. Another thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your wiring is correct. So what I have here, it's kind of messy right now, but what I have is my battery, my regulator rectifier down in here, and the wires that come off the regulator rectifier go around up into this area where I can plug into the regulator rectifier. Then the red and black wires can turn around and charge the battery. And then I can take all these wires and put them wherever I want. So the ground simply goes into the frame. The battery is turned on when I hit the switch, the key switch up in the front. And all my accessories turn on. So if I were to come around, it's already into the second stage. So this is off. And then I can put it into the accessory mode. That's going to turn on my battery and my accessories. My voltage display, 12.6. It's pretty good right now. And I also have a charging port if I want to charge my battery, charge my cell phone, or charge my GPS if I want to use GPS, anything really. I have LED headlights, 20 watts. These are very bright. I also have a fan if I'm traveling really slow. So that's about it. Everything together costed about $300. The battery upgrade I'm talking about. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too hard if you know what you're doing. Obviously, you have to have some kind of background in electrical. Just how voltage works, how wattage works, amps. You don't want to overload your stator, regulator, rectifier, or battery. But if you know what you're doing, it's not too difficult. What I do have to do is clean up the wires. It's a little bit messy. I might get a bigger battery. I got this battery for about $23 off of eBay. It's not a really high quality battery, but it does the job fine. So yeah, it works out really well. I didn't have any issues. I would say the most difficult part was probably installing the regulator rectifier and having the wires set up to finally get to the battery. But if you get that done, it's really simple. Another thing, make sure you get a 3-stage key if you do want to get a key. Again, second stage is the accessories, third stage is the ignition. I simply have a fan up here a switch up here for the fan. Everything is pretty much straightforward, nothing too difficult, but man, it makes a real difference. I feel like I'm riding around on a 2010 model instead of a 1999. Another thing I didn't mention is the alarm. I have a shock sensor alarm, so I could set it, leave the quad wherever I want, and if someone just touches it, just bangs into it like that, the alarm will automatically go off. Really, really loud, so I don't have to ever worry about someone taking it. So yeah, that's just about it. If you got any questions, go ahead and you can comment. I'll try to get back to you. But yeah, thanks for watching.